Hey everyone! AI is changing everything, especially for creators like you and me. Imagine having an extra pair of hands to help with the daily grind of content creation. That's what AI tools are offering, a chance to work smarter, not harder. We all know how much effort goes into making engaging videos. From brainstorming ideas to editing the final product, it's a lot to handle. And that's before you even think about promoting your content and engaging with your viewers. But what if you could automate some of these tasks? What if you could free up hours each day to focus on the creative work you love? AI is making this dream a reality. This isn't about replacing human creativity. It's about giving creators superpowers. It's about working alongside intelligent tools that understand our needs and help us achieve more. Let's be honest, being a creator is rewarding, but it's also demanding. We're constantly juggling multiple tasks, battling deadlines, and striving for that perfect video. Time is our most precious resource, and it always feels like there's not enough of it. We end up sacrificing sleep, social life, and sometimes even our health just to keep up. And then there's burnout. The constant pressure to churn out content can take its toll. We start doubting ourselves, our creativity dwindles, and it becomes a struggle to even hit the record button. Maintaining consistent quality adds another layer of complexity. It's easy to get caught up in the numbers game and compromise on the quality of our work. But our audience deserves our best, always. This is where AI comes in like a superhero sidekick. Let's talk about some amazing AI tools that can save you time, reduce burnout, and elevate your content. Scripting made easy. Imagine having a brainstorming partner who's available 24/7. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can help you generate video ideas, write scripts, and even create engaging social media posts. Just tell them what you need, and they'll do the heavy lifting. Effortless editing. Editing is often the most time-consuming part of the process. Descript and Runway ML are game changers. They can transcribe your videos, remove filler words, add subtitles, and even create stunning visual effects with a few clicks. Data-driven decisions. Understanding your audience is crucial. TubeBuddy and Surfer SEO provide in-depth analytics to optimize your videos for search. They analyze keywords, track performance, and suggest improvements, helping you reach a wider audience. Remember, these are just a few examples, and new AI tools are emerging every day. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Section 4. Your voice amplified, keeping it real with AI. Now, you might be thinking, won't using AI make my content sound robotic and impersonal? That's a valid concern. But the key is to see AI as a tool to enhance your creativity, not replace it. Think of it like this. AI gives you a first draft, a starting point. It's up to you to inject your personality, your unique voice, and your storytelling magic into it. Don't be afraid to edit, rewrite, and make the AI output your own. Add your personal anecdotes, your humor, your insights, the things that make your content special and relatable. Remember, people connect with people. AI can help you streamline the process, but it's your authenticity that will truly resonate with your audience. Section 5. AI in action. Simple steps for a smarter workflow. So, how can you actually integrate these AI tools into your daily routine? Here are a few practical tips. First, start small. Don't try to overhaul your entire workflow overnight. Pick one area where you feel most overwhelmed, like scripting or editing, and experiment with an AI tool for that specific task. Second, provide clear instructions. AI tools are powerful, but they need clear directions. When using a tool like ChatGPT, be specific about the type of content you need, the desired tone, and the key points you want to cover. Third, don't be afraid to experiment. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Play around with different AI tools. Experiment with various prompts, and see what yields the best results for your specific needs. Lastly, stay updated. The world of AI is constantly evolving. New tools and updates are released frequently. Make it a habit to stay informed about the latest advancements and incorporate them into your workflow. Section 6. The future is now. Unlock your creative potential. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. By embracing these intelligent tools, we can break free from tedious tasks, reclaim our time, and unleash unprecedented levels of creativity. Imagine spending more time brainstorming new ideas and connecting with your audience, saying goodbye to late-night editing sessions, and actually getting a good night's sleep. creating higher quality content that truly resonates with your viewers. This isn't a distant dream, it's a tangible reality within our reach. So take that leap, explore the world of AI tools, and unlock your full creative potential. Want to dive deeper into the world of AI for creators? I've put together an ebook with detailed prompts, workflows, and advanced tips to help you maximize your productivity and take your content to the next level. Check it out.